Hi, Chloe.
Hey!
Are you excited for the hoco?
Yes!
So guys, do you think we're gonna win?
No. Wait, yes, I hope we win. I don't know if we're going to. If we don't, that's so embarrassing. I don't.
Are you, you're the eye black though.
Wait, let me get over.
Damn near in the middle.
For camcorder debut. I hope it's, I went for
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, oh my god.
Go Bulldogs!
I do not know that score. Look at it.
Oh, I'm low-key overwhelmed and I'm overstimulated, but it's okay.
Okay, hi Marley Queen.
Hello. Wait, what are we doing?
Maybe I'll let this be your last hoco game.
Great.
So sad. Not really.
I know, I don't really care. I don't know.
Okay, baddie.
I can't know, my face is pretty red, like, you know, like I'm
You know
feeling,
exactly like guys.
feeling more malicious today. Mom said, oh my god, game? Question mark?
Post game cookout. Hi guys, how are you feeling? Oh,